Welcome to our channel, Two Traveling Teachers. We're an RV related channel dedicated to helping you make the most of your RV adventures. In today's video, we're reviewing the Safoner RV clothes dryer rack, a must-have accessory for anyone who loves camping. If you're an avid camper and RV enthusiast, you know how important it is to have a reliable solution for drying clothes, towels, and gear. Whether you've been swimming at the pool, paddle boarding on the lake, or wading in the river, wet items are inevitable. Woo! That's where the Safoner RV clothes dryer rack comes in.
Today we're going to review a product from Safoner, which is a company specializing in RV accessories. The product is a clothes drying rack which attaches to the ladder on the back of the trailer. Let's open the box and see what we have inside.
This versatile and innovative drying solution is designed specifically for RV enthusiasts who need a compact and efficient way to dry clothes on the go. The Safoner RV clothes dryer rack features a robust and lightweight design, perfect for limited spaces in your RV. Its aluminum construction ensures that the rack is both strong and lightweight, as well as resistant to rusting. Its durability and resistance to wear and tear ensure that it will last for many camping trips to come. The package comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions that guide you through each step of the process. The simplicity of the setup ensures that even those with minimal DIY experience can install it without any hassle. It easily mounts to the ladder on the exterior of your vehicle, providing ample space to dry and hang your laundry without taking up precious space indoors. The mounting hardware secures the rack solidly to the ladder. The drying rack kit comes with adhesive pads that you adhere to the back of the arms to protect the ladder. The kit also comes with a bungee strap to secure the arms when not in use. Whenever you do need to use the ladder, just remove the bungee strap and swing the arms out of the way. There's a tension screw on the top that can be adjusted to keep the arms from moving while using the drying rack. The drying rack arms can spread over a 180-degree area, giving it an impressive drying capacity. Also, each arm has 6 holes to securely hold hangers on a windy day. Overall, we would give this product a superior rating due to its quality of construction, ease of installation, and its high drying capacity. We feel this product is an excellent RV accessory for our campsite. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more RV tips, DIY projects, and travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.